over and over and over. Why does this keep happening? How many cases did you have last year?
Right off the bat, the judge is laying down the pattern, and it's not pretty. But is this justice or just déjà vu with a gavel? The audience has to ask, how many times is too many before the system admits it's broken?
Mr. Addison?
I have quite a few, sir.
Now, it pled on the 17th of December, and not 3 weeks later, you have now another criminal trespass. How do we stop this from happening?
You need to leave Texas?
No, we don't want you to leave Texas, but we want this to stop happening. Why would I keep doing this?
Officers don't like me out here.
This is heartbreaking. He's returning to the same place despite real danger. Is this self-sabotage, or does he have nowhere else to go? When trauma and homelessness collide, the law often doesn't know what to do. What do you think?
Yeah, man, they be harassing me. They beat me up. They assaulted me. They put me in the hospital. They tried to kill me.
So why go back?
What do you mean?
Why go back to the same location over and over if you know that they're going to beat you up?
I'm in the state of Texas, not just this area. The state of Texas, the laws don't like me. The police don't like me, sir.
That's baloney because you're a likable guy.
And now we hit the human core of the case. No family, no support, no safety net. The law can't fill these gaps. But should it try? Let's be real. Courts are judging symptoms, not treating causes.
Hi. We all like you, Mr. Addison. You seem like a stand-up guy. You're nice. But you keep going back. Why would I keep doing this? You know, we hit you with the time served. We let you out. 2 weeks later, you pick up a new case. And it's been like that for the last damn year. Where's your family? Who do you have in your life?
I don't have nobody in my life, sir. All my family is dead. My twin just died not too long ago.
You ain't got no kids?
But they grown here, but I can't find them.
Why not?
Because their mother hid them from me.
You ever tried to find them?
Yes.
How?
Here it is, the cycle laid bare. Arrest, release, reoffend, repeat. It's not just about law breaking, it's about being lost in a loop with no off-ramp. This moment is the system looking in the mirror and not liking what it sees.
Through the internet. Through the internet, sir.
I don't know, Lori. We're doing the same shots over and over and over. And last year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases just last year. You pled at the end of December. January, you got a new case. We let you out. You took off on us 2 more times. And the only reason we have you now is because you picked up an interference. And now we're doing the same thing over. I'm not going to do this. I'm done, Mr. Addison. I'm not going to continue to do this. Plead you to the time served in hopes that you're going to go out there and not do it. No, it's not going to happen. We need to figure something else out.
No hope or desperation. The judge is reaching out one last time, not as an enforcer, but as a human being. And for all the stern words, this might be the most compassionate part of the hearing. Will it work this time?
Thank you. That's very sweet. But I'm not going to do this. We need to do what I'm going to do now, what's called a TRAS, to see how we go forward. Because I don't know enough about you and what's going on in your life to figure out how we go forward so you stop picking up criminal cases. I told you that many moons ago that I'm going to stop doing this. And now is the time. I'm not doing it, Mr. Addison. We will set this case for a TRAS. I'm going to try to expedite to get it done as fast as we can. I'm done. What I'd like to do, and the hope is that somehow you, me, and Lori can figure out what kind of family you have in the United States so that we can get you somewhere where you stop getting in trouble. But it's not working what we're doing. And I'm not going to continue to, this is not a revolving door. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
That's what we're going to do. So Lori, I'm sorry, but let's set it for a TRAS and we'll come back next week.